mirror falling down. Like, my setup is just so crazy. My kids came running in here checking on me. They were scared. They thought I fell or something fell on me. Luckily, the mirror didn't break. Nothing fell on me. It just broke my tripod. It is Alicia, and this is day 2 of my lock journey. It is still morning time. It's about 11:15 right now. I woke up this morning and cleaned up the house a little bit, cooked breakfast for me and my children, and now I am about to embark on doing my MICROLocs. So last night I had my partner help me with parting my hair. He just went through my old parts and just straightened them and made them like straight lines and even and everything like that. So I kind of just wrapped it up yesterday or last night. I was so tired because I had to work. I got off work yesterday morning and didn't get much sleep, and then I started washing my hair and conditioning my hair and everything like that. Now, I will say I wish I did not blow dry my hair because my hair feels a little slick, so I don't know how these twists are going to be, but we'll see. So anyway, we went through and reparted my hair, so you have this straight line down the middle and towards the back, that's my straight line. And then we went through the sides and just parted in smaller squares, so when I do have sections to braid, they don't seem, I won't get too overwhelmed by big sections of hair. I believe when we counted it, I had 24 sections because I think I had 12 and 12 on each side. So I'm gonna go ahead and count it again. 26. Okay, so I have 26. I have 26 parted sections in my hair. I'm gonna start in the back and I'm gonna start to put some twists back there. So I'm so excited about this and I'm nervous. This is day 2 again, like I said, and I did get a late start because I was tired and I did sleep in. I love sleeping in. So anyway, we are about to get started. Okay, so this has been a complete struggle for me. I broke my tripod because the big mirror I've been using to look at the back of my head fell over onto my camera, bent my tripod leg, messed up my ring light. So this is just a complete struggle at the moment. I wanted to come on and just give you an update. I wanted to get in the groove of doing my hair before I started recording myself doing my hair. So currently I have 2 of my back sections twisted, which I think now that I'm looking in the light, they look pretty good. I like the parting, I like the sizing. They look really good. Now, it has been taking me about 30 minutes to do, it took me 30 minutes to do the first section. I guesstimated that one because I didn't really time myself, and then it took me 27 minutes to do the second section. So this setup is completely crazy. I don't know any other way to do it. I have like my big 6-foot mirror here that I've been using to look at my the back of my head. So I like prop, like I have to literally hold the 6-foot mirror with my leg, with my my left leg, so that it's close enough to me so that I can see the back of my head on my bathroom mirror. So I'm holding the mirror with my leg and I'm doing, you know, doing my hair. So it is completely crazy. I don't know any other way to do it. Maybe as the days go by, I'll find out another way, another unique way of doing my hair. But for right now, that's what I'm doing to see the back of my hair. So I'm gonna braid the second section up and we are gonna move on. Okay, so here's a very transparent moment. I did not part this, one of the parts straight. It was like slanted, and I already had 3 in that row, so I had to part it straight, take the twists out, and I'm having to re-twist those with the added hair that I didn't have before. This is a very transparent moment. I'm having to redo my first row. So here we go. So here is the end of day 2, or technically day 1, because this is the day I started my twists. This is just the second day of me prepping. So the first day I prepped, and day 2 is when I actually started twisting my hair, but technically this is day 1 of me twisting my hair, if that makes sense. So this right here is the sections that I haven't gotten done yet. Earlier I told you that we sectioned my hair. I have 26 little squares in my head, which have been great because each section that I've done, which I've done 10 so far, has literally taken me on average 30 minutes, give or take a few minutes or less or more. Depending on what type of distractions or something that I had. I've timed myself with each section. So I completed completed 10 sections, like I said, and on average, the sections took me 30 minutes. And in each section, on average, I have probably about anywhere from 15 or 12 or 13 even to 23. I think 23 in one section is the most that I've twisted thus far. So I have it wrapped up right now. I'm gonna take it down so you can see. And this is how my twists look in the back. So I've pretty much done the back of my head, which literally did not take me long. I started at, so this is how the back of my head looks. I really love how my hair feels. I love how the twists feel. I am excited to see how they plump up. Later on, I can't believe how long my hair is actually, even though I do know there's going to be some shrinkage with time. So I am super duper excited. I wanted to keep going, but it is getting a little later. I think it's about 8 o'clock right now, so I'm going to shut it down and have some family time. I am so proud of myself, pleasantly surprised with myself on how it didn't take me that long. I feel right now I'm just twisting it and then I'm like flying through. It's not taking any time at all to do it. Tomorrow I am going to try to finish actually, because I have 16 more sections to go. And if I start first thing in the morning and do it again until 8, I think I can complete my entire head. And then, so that will be 2 days. So like I said, I'm so excited. I love my hair so far, and I know this is not even how it's going to look when it's like flourishing and looking, you know, and really starting to lock and everything, but I just love it the way it looks right now. I'm embracing it. So like I said before many times, thank you so much for coming to embark on this journey with me or watch my journey. If you have any questions or any suggestions, you can put them in the comments. I'm gonna read them. Some can help me out and some can help others out. So I really look forward to hearing from you, and I really hope that these videos are to hold some value to you. If they do, please like it, please share it, please comment with me, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.